Top 3 freelance apps to work from home. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you top 3 freelance apps to download and start working from now just from your home. So the first app is Fiverr. This app has more than 10 million downloads. This is the number 3 app. You can download it and start working from home. The second app is Upwork. Upwork is an app for freelancers. I'm working on it personally, and it has more than 1 million downloads. And the third app is Freelancer. This one is the best of the best. You can download it and you will get a lot of job opportunities so you can start working and making money. That's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.